unfortunate thing about it is that idea of going out to people with a social program was exactly what her husband was doing. And so right there was a nexus, a basis. Roosevelt took over and rallied the nation with his famous, "You have nothing to fear but fear itself." Within a few days, he was ordering the 100 Days campaign, in which more legislation was passed than had been passed by many presidents. And soon, the Depression started slowly in the right direction. Because his physical condition now limited travel, he opened up the White House to his political associates and friends. He loved people. He loved to sit with them, have a drink with them, laugh with them, tell jokes. The White House morphed into a sort of wayside hotel. Harry Hopkins, political advisor, very tall guy, by the way, had the Lincoln Room, which had been originally set up for Lincoln, another tall guy. Missy Lehan, his secretary, had her own room, was always there. She was quite involved in his life. Eleanor, of course, had her own suite when she was in Washington. But Eleanor was like a bird flying around the country. You couldn't stop her.